Understanding carbohydrates, the energy givers. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to talk about a very important topic in nutrition, carbohydrates. By the end of this video, you'll understand what carbohydrates are, why they're important, and some examples of foods rich in carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, often referred to as carbs, are one of the three main nutrients found in food. The others are proteins and fats. Carbohydrates are the body's main source of energy. They are called carbohydrates because, at the chemical level, they contain carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. There are three primary types of carbohydrates: sugars, simple carbohydrates or simple sugars; starches, complex carbohydrates consisting of many sugar molecules joined together; fiber, also complex carbohydrates, but the human body cannot digest them. Carbohydrates are essential because they provide the body with the glucose it needs for energy. This energy fuels all of our activities, from breathing to running. The brain also needs a constant supply of glucose to function properly. Carbohydrates are found in a wide range of both healthy and unhealthy foods. Bread, beans, milk, popcorn, potatoes, cookies, spaghetti, soft drinks, corn, and cherry pie can all be sources of carbohydrates. But the quality of the carbs you eat matters. Whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and beans are healthy carbs, full of nutrients and fiber. Refined grains and sugary foods and drinks are less healthy carbs, as they have fewer nutrients and are quickly digested, leading to spikes in blood sugar levels. The amount of carbohydrates a person needs varies based on age, sex, body composition, and activity level. However, a typical daily percentage of calories from carbohydrates can be between 45% and 65% of the total daily calorie intake. We hope this video has illuminated the vital role carbohydrates play in our diets and overall health. Remember, while carbs are crucial, the type and quantity you consume can make a big difference. Keep exploring and learning English with us, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and curious.